RSS Sar Sangh Chalak Mohan Bhagwat is on a 4-day visit to Jammu. To talk more on this, we are now being joined by the President of Jammu and Kashmir BJP, Mr. Ravinder Raina. Mr. Raina, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India today. Sir, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat is in Jammu, and series of meetings are taking place at the Keshav Bhavan here in Jammu. So tell us, what is the purpose of the visit of, RSS chief to Jammu? What is the main objective of his visit?
पूजनीय सरसंघ चालक ji is visiting Jammu and Kashmir, and usually we have seen whenever the Pujaniya Sarsangha Chalak ji used to visit, go on the pravas of the various states, union territories, mainly the organizational issues being discussed, and there are two types of works: one shakha expansion works, and second the services, the various social works being carried out by the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Swayamsevaks. We call it Jagran Shreni Karyas, and the Pujaniya Sarsangh Chalak ji is in Jammu, and usually, as I had said, the issues related to the organizational activities, shakha related activities, expansion of shakha works, and the discussions and reviewing the social works, the works of Jagran Shreni of the Sangh are being usually discussed in such meetings.
Sir, but sources are saying that yesterday, while speaking to senior RSS workers, senior RSS leaders, old timers, Mohan Bhagwat said that after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, now the focus of the Sangh as well as of other nationalist organizations should be on the honorable and dignified return of Kashmiri Pandits. What do you have to say on that?
The exodus of Kashmiri Pandits from the Kashmir Valley was made in 1990 on gunpoint by the Pakistani terrorists. There was an atmosphere of psychosis among the minority Hindus and Sikhs in Kashmir Valley, and in 1990s on gunpoint Kashmiri Pandits and Kashmiri Sikhs and even some nationalist section of the Muslim families, they were forced to leave the Kashmir Valley, and it is blot on we people that our brother Kashmiri Pandits and sisters, they can't go back to their homes, to go their own ancestral land in Kashmir Valley, and they are still living a life in exile. This is blot on we people, and it is the responsibility of each and every Indian that we should make all attempts and efforts to rehabilitate the Kashmiri Pandits and Kashmiri Sikhs in Kashmir Valley in a very dignified manner, in a respectful manner. There the Kashmiri Pandits will enjoy all constitutional rights and they stay in Kashmir Valley.
Mr. Raina, what Mr. Mohan Bhagwat said at one of his meetings yesterday at the Keshav Bhavan in Jammu, if we go by that, does it mean that in the coming days something big is going to happen as far as the rehabilitation of displaced Kashmiri Pandits is concerned?
See, the government of India, especially Shri Narendra Modi Sahab and Shri Amit Shah Sahab as an Home Minister, is making all attempts and making all efforts to create an atmosphere where Kashmiri Pandits will return and live a dignified life in Kashmir Valley. Repeatedly, we are in touch with the representatives of Kashmiri Pandit organizations, Sikh organizations in Kashmir Valley, and our responsibility is to make an atmosphere where the Kashmiri Pandits willfully go to the Kashmir. Otherwise, we can't send Kashmiri Pandits to Kashmir on the mercy of terrorists and separatists. That is why some time has passed, but we are not we have not taken any decision hurriedly, because
So is something being planned?
See, definitely, our main aims and objective is to create an atmosphere where everybody lives in very good atmosphere, and
But Mr. Rana,
for that, there should be end of terrorism and separatism.
right. But Mr. Rana, since Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of the country, we have been hearing it time and again that the government is making efforts for the honorable and dignified return of Kashmiri Hindus. They will be rehabilitated in the Kashmir Valley, but there is no blueprint that has come out. The government is only making promises,
See,
and these promises seem to be hollow.
See, the return of Kashmiri Pandits back to their native areas, their ancestral lands in Kashmir Valley, is definitely a challenge for all of us. Whole country, as Pujaniya Sarsanga Chalak ji has also shown his concern. The concern of Pujaniya Sarsanga Chalak ji is the concern of 135 crores of Indian, that Kashmiri Pandits and Kashmiri Sikhs and the nationalist Kashmiri Muslim families should again be rehabilitated in Kashmir. But the challenge is that Kashmiri Pandits and Kashmiri Sikhs, whenever be rehabilitated, they will definitely be rehabilitated in a very, very dignified manner, not hurriedly, because we have seen how the targeted killings in last few months have taken place. Terrorists, those are in frustration, desperation, trying to target the nationalist forces in Kashmir Valley. BJP workers are being targeted. This is the frustration among the terror outfits, because Narendra Modi Sahab's government has come down heavily on terrorists and separatists. I am quite sure that in days to come, we will end this atmosphere of fear psychosis, and again you will find an atmosphere of brotherhood, love, peace and harmony, where Kashmiri Pandits and Kashmiri Sikhs will go back willfully in a dignified manner and will live their life in Kashmir Valley, in their ancestral land.
Right. Mr. Rana, my last question to you. In the last 7 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah made many visits to Jammu and Kashmir. And the Kashmiri Pandits are saying that, they did not visit their camps even once. And even right now, 70 union ministers are visiting Jammu and Kashmir, and none of them has visited the camps of Kashmiri Pandits. So the community is saying that at least there should have been some, outreach as far as Kashmiri Pandits is concerned. They should have come, they should have met them, they should have heard their grievances. It would have been a confidence building measure, but nothing of that sort has happened so far.
Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi Sahab, has huge love and respect for Kashmiri Pandits and whole of the citizens of Jammu and Kashmir, and even Shri Amit Shah ji. Both our top leaders met the various representatives of the Kashmiri Pandits community so many times in Delhi, in Kashmir, in Jammu. And when Shri Rajnath Singh Sahab was the Home Minister and I was MLA, Shri Rajnath Singh ji visited the Nagrota Jagti Kashmiri Pandits migrant camp. He stayed there, and even in upcoming days, there in an outreach program of the Narendra Modi Sahab's government, some top union ministers are scheduled to visit the Kashmiri Pandit migrant camps. Narendra Modi Sahab's government has taken all notes and concerns of Kashmiri Pandit community, and we are trying our level best to give them justice.
Many thanks for speaking to India Today.
Thank you very much.
So that was Mr. Ravinder Rana, President of Jammu and Kashmir BJP, clearly saying that the government is fully aware of the problems of the displaced Kashmiri Pandits, and whether it's Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh or the government, they are making attempts for the honorable and dignified return of the Kashmiri Pandits to the Kashmir Valley. He's saying that in the coming days, union ministers are also going to visit the camps of Kashmiri Pandits. They will listen to the grievances of the community. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.